Oh, look at the cheese.
Yeah,
Oh,
that's why we use mozzarella cheese. Yeah.
Sorry guys, that was a bit disgusting. Yeah, sorry.
Always be careful. Don't underestimate the hot. Hi everyone, welcome back to StoryBites. This is Gangnam Korean Restaurant. I'm Jason, and he's my brother Brian today.
Hey guys, my name is One second. 그건 내가. This is my brother Brian. Yeah.
Okay.
I'll say my name.
He's my brother.
Brian, nice to meet you.
Yeah. Tonight we're gonna cook late night munchie called corn cheese. Alright, so Brian will cook late night munchie called corn cheese. He never cooked before, so it will be new for him, and some of you guys will be new. So first, grab the corn that we prepared. 1 spoon of sugar in the corn.
Okay, 1 spoon
Yeah.
to the corn. Yep,
A little bit more.
a little bit more.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Maybe another half scoop.
1/2 scoop.
Yeah.
Just like that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. And let's go for mayo.
Mayo,
2 spoons.
2 spoons. It's a bit,
Okay.
bit thick.
Can you not make mess? Grab a little bit of mozzarella and put in the corn.
Mozzarella, right?
Yeah, just a little bit.
Little bit?
No, little bit. Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, a little bit more.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, there you go. And mix it well. So the sugar and mayo is all well mixed with the corns. Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, keep mixing. Right at the sugar, sweet. And we are using the hot pan. When the sugar is burnt, it always tastes better. Like marshmallow, when it's burnt, it always tastes better, right? So, yeah, and I think that's okay. Now let's prepare the pan.
How?
Butter
Butter.
onto the pan, yeah. 1 spoon is enough, so yeah,
Like this.
just chuck that in. Put the corns on the top.
The corns and top the plate, everything.
Yep. Just make it flat as well. Yeah, make it flat. Right now it's very white. You can see mayo is still there, but once it's melt, it will be transparent. So yeah, just wait until it melts. Brian won't listen to me because his older brother, and you know.
The older brother always got the power.
But after we managed to, you know, listen to each other and yeah, try to make it better, you know. It's not we are working for someone, you know. We're working for family, you know. Yeah, you can see the edges start to melt, but be careful, it will pop a lot. It's hot. It's very hot, so careful. And now I think you can add mozzarella on the top.
Mozzarella on
Yeah.
the top.
Can you not make mess, please?
Just like that.
No?
What was his name? Salted egg.
So babe.
Or cheese. Sorry.
Alright, maybe use your spoon. Try to flat a little bit. When it gets brownish, it tastes good, you know. It's saying I taste good, so just wait a while. But on the top part wouldn't melt that fast, so we're gonna use the torch.
Now?
Yeah. Alright, so with the torch, careful.
가스.
Always careful with the torch, so the top part melts.
가스.
Just like that. Yeah, I think it's almost ready. Grab and put on the plate. You might not have this hot pan at home. You can put in a plate, you know, but buy one. It's very useful. Keep your hot food really hot. So yeah. All right, now it's ready. So we're gonna try. It goes well with beer, you know. Other food, it doesn't go well because it's a bit sweet. So kids, adults, they love, you know. It's for everyone. So yeah, let's try.
Oh, look at the cheese.
Yeah,
Oh,
that's why we use mozzarella cheese. You wanna see that?
It can't be bad because we added sugar and coal, most everyone's favorite, I guess. So let's just
What's wrong?
It's too hot. Be careful.
Always be careful. Don't underestimate the hot. Alright, I'm gonna try some. Yeah.
Oh my god. Sorry guys, that was a bit disgusting. Yeah, sorry. It wasn't part of the plan.
Leave it for 5 minutes and then eat. If you like this video, like and subscribe to StoryBites. And yeah, we have our Instagram and TikTok, which is Gangnam CHCH. Follow us as well, and see you guys next time. Thank you.
Thank you.